Hello everybody, it is December, it is Christmas time as you can see with the tree, and in front of me for an unboxing video I have the Die Hard board game, which it looks really cool. I looked it up online and it looks pretty complicated to play, but I wanted to get it because I wanted to get it back in the board games, and what a great way to do that, starting with Die Hard. Alright, so let's open it. As you guys can see it. Tight. Oh, that was easy. Oh, that's nice. It's like very plain here, but it's like very smooth. The glass. You can see the silhouette of Bruce Willis over here. That's really cool. I always love this font. See, it's a very smooth font. Let's see. Alright, so how do I open this? So I just... pull this off. By the way, this is called Die Hard, the Nakatomi Heist board game. If you can see that. You know what, let me get some more lighting here, if possible. There we go, that helps. I'm back. As you can see, I have some lighting. Look at that, that's cool. I'm gonna move this to the side. Here's the rule book. Yeah, it looks pretty complex. So it's pretty much breaking down how to play the game. From what I understand, you could play, I believe, as John McClane, or you could play as the terrorists, or I think only the terrorists. Let's see here. John McClane figure, Hans Gruber figure, and the thief figures. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like John McClane already took out the rest. So we're sort of in the middle of the film. This is nice. You know what's really cool about this? That 20th Century Fox. Look at that. That's really cool. Nice. Player board. This looks like the silhouette of Eddie, the cowboy guy at the desk. Player board, so this does not go anywhere. Discard pile, draw pile, played cards. Oh, it's wrapped up. The only mistake in this photo is that Nakatomi Plaza was sort of isolated. There was buildings around it, but not buildings like taller than it. It was like the tallest building in the area that it's located in Century City. Oh wow, that's cool. So that opens up like that. Let me move this over here. I think there's two sides to this. Act 1, 31st floor. Act 2, 32nd floor. Act 3, 33rd floor and roof. And 30th floor, I'm assuming this is the last act. Interesting. So let's get the board out. Let's face it. Look at that. So that's set up there.
I like the fact that I was playing.
So let's see what comes in it. A deck of cards. These are the Thieves cards. I am an exceptional thief, Mrs. McClane. Big stack for the John McClane card. That's pretty cool, huh? So on the back of these, you can see kind of like the cards, what they look like. Act 1. So it looks like there's cards for each different act. I guess because the thieves get killed off. So this is for the safe, because the thieves or terrorists are going into the safe. So, and look, it's Theo, Clarence Gilliard Jr. That's pretty cool. He's a good actor. You have dice, 1 die. That's Hans Gruber. That's Hans Gruber. John McClane in the hair. I like that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And you have the 7 bad guys. They all look the same. Skinny supermodel looking with long hair. Most likely European. Look at that. You know, it says I have John McClane here. I'll just put him on top of my Nakatomi Tower right there. Yeah, maybe I'll put a couple bad guys up here. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So it's cool. All these terrorists look, or bad guys look the same. Long hair. Most of them in the movie wore long hair. That's what made it cool. They looked like supermodels with long hair, and they wore very fashionable clothes. And they were European. I guess these are sort of side cards for actions and stuff. Oh, you've got these plastic cubes. You got blue and you have red. I guess the red symbolizes the kills and the blue symbolize something else that's happening. And you have, looks like shards of glass. You got bullets. Bad guy silhouette. I guess it's Hans Gruber. These must be the hostages in here. So you can see that. Look at that. So that's it. That's what came with it. So you got the Thieves cards. It's cool. The John McClane pack. That's the shot of Bruce Willis getting out of the limo in the very beginning when he smokes a cigarette outside Nakatomi Plaza. And this is the cards. Cool. So that's it, everybody. That's the Die Hard set. So I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing, and I will try to find people to play this with. And Merry Christmas, everyone, and please watch Die Hard on Christmas Eve. It's one of the, to me, it's the best action movie ever made, and to many, it's probably the top 5 action films ever made. All right, I'll see everybody later. Bye.